Change your channel name on Android in 2021, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your YouTube app, and then you have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. When you click on this, then you come to this page, and then what you have to do is you have to click on your channel, and then you come to this page, and you can see videos, playlist, channels, and about section of your channel. But you have to go to your home page, and then you have to click on the edit channel, and here you can see the name tabs. But then you have to click on the pen icon in the right side of name, so you can change here, and by clicking on this then this page opens, and here you can change your channel name. Let's see, writes I put some random words, and then after uh, putting your channel name, you have to click on the OK, and then here you can see your channel name is changed. So that's basically that how you can change your channel name on the YouTube channel on the Android. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good